What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna be cooking up some grilled meat and fruit kebabs. If you've been paying any attention at all to the carnivore space, I'm sure you've grown aware that many people have warmed up to the whole idea of eating fruit. This whole notion that fruit, unlike vegetables, want to be eaten. Regardless of how you feel about that or the carnivore diet, fruit is delicious, and it's especially delicious off the grill. So we're gonna be combining two of my favorite things, meat and fruit, into one delicious dish. To get started, I'm just gonna take some sirloin steak. I like using either sirloin, or if you want a cheaper option, chuck steak also works pretty good. Chop the meat into cubes, and I'm gonna throw that into a bowl, and I'm going to marinate it in Primal Kitchen's Hawaiian barbecue sauce. This stuff is delicious. Just mix it around a little bit, and then set it aside for at the very least a half an hour, ideally like a few hours. And then for my fruit, I'm gonna be using watermelon. Watermelon is really tasty grilled up. Basically, I just want little rectangular sized pieces. Another great fruit that's grilled is peaches. I'm just gonna cut the peach in half, remove the pit, and then slice each half into about 3 pieces, depending on the size of the peach. You don't want to use overly ripe peaches for this, or else they will fall off your skewer. The last fruit I'm going to use is pineapple. I just cut the pineapple into discs, then slice the skin off of each disc, and then cut that into little pieces. Don't forget to soak your skewers in cold water for at least 30 minutes. And then I'm going to assemble my skewers, just alternating each piece of meat with a piece of fruit. And voila, that looks beautiful. I also tried out a less sweet but still carnivore friendly version. For my meat, I use Primal Kitchen's balsamic dressing as a marinade. All of Primal Kitchen's dressings work great as marinades. And then I filled my skewers with some other non-sweet items off of Paul Saladino's sort of acceptable plant food list. So I did some skewers with cucumbers, yellow squash, and olives. So this would be sort of a carnivore friendly kebab, but you know, less sweet. And so I'm gonna grill up all these kebabs. I got a Traeger grill, but any kind of grill will do. And then I just cook these until the meat is cooked to about medium on the inside with these small meat pieces. And by then the fruit will start to caramelize as well. This is a great summertime meal. It's a big hit with my whole family. My kids love these. But that's all I got for today. If you want to pick up any of the delicious Primal Kitchen products seen in this video, you can get them all at primalkitchen.com. If you use the code HELLO20, you can get 20% off your entire order. Just a little thank you for checking out our channel. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe, like this video, tell your friends, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.